Samsung just did something unbelievable with the battery of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. A lot of people were shocked, and one among them is me. Because S23 Ultra came with the same amount of battery as last year's S22 Ultra, but this lasts much longer than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now here's the thing, there are a couple of tests performed on S23 Ultra battery along with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and even before the launch, we know what we are going to get in the S23 Ultra. Here is a battery test before where this guy shared his battery life experience of the S23 Ultra, and he claimed that his Galaxy S23 Ultra is matching the battery life of the iPhone 14 Pro Max with the real world use. Now he is right about this. As per new test, S23 Ultra falls short couple of minutes when we put S23 Ultra against the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments. Now, are you guys happy with the battery of the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Things didn't stop here, as Galaxy S23 Ultra could be the first Android smartphone to come this close to iPhone 14 Pro Max in the battery test. If you get 11 hours and 25 minutes battery backup on the iPhone 14 Pro Max while consistent use, then your Galaxy S23 Ultra will last around 11 hours and 15 minutes, just 10 minutes less than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is so unbelievable as S23 Ultra is way behind this rate as around 9 hours and couple of minutes on it. Where this test was ran on the adaptive refresh rate, meaning if you use your Galaxy S23 Ultra on 60Hz, then you may end up having much more battery backup on the S23 Ultra. Also, for some people this matters and for some people it don't, but S23 Ultra comes with the same 45W fast charger. Now here's the thing, Samsung did something amazing with the S23 Ultra, as your S23 Ultra will go to 50% in just 20 minutes and around 65% in just 30 minutes, where last year S22 Ultra only gets about 50% in 30 minutes. Samsung updated the charging algorithm on the S23 Ultra just like what they did with the Z Fold 4. One thing to mention, if you want to extend the battery on your S23 Ultra, you can enable the light mode, which will limit the CPU high frequency rate but it will keep the 120Hz refresh rate. All thanks to new Snapdragon Gen 2, and even this is a special edition Snapdragon Gen 2 used in the S23 Ultra, which is overclocked at 3.36 GHz. Meanwhile, this new processor is way more power efficient than the last generation, and as per numbers, 40% CPU and 45% GPU power efficient, matching the power efficiency of the A16 Bionic chipset. Thanks to Samsung, this time we didn't get the exynos processor. If you guys want to see how S23 Ultra performs against the Pixel 7 Pro, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.